Hey everybody, it's Nate here. I am not having the best day. You see this right here? You see that right there? So, little tip that I should have thought about beforehand, but do not paint a helmet jet black in direct sunlight that is printed out of PLA while it's sitting on a 2x6. I actually had it just kind of like it is right now. It's on a shotgun tube that I got for a Mossberg. So I had it sitting just like that through the bottom, propped up, painting it. Just going to do another coat of black paint, just like I did on all the other pieces that I have over here. Just going to do probably, I think it was like my third coat because I did a little sanding on it. So I had it sitting on there and I started growing a little horn right there. And I noticed it when I was painting it. I was like, what is that sticking up there? Like I've sanded the heck out of this thing. So just a little tip for you. Because now I have to do a lot more work on this stupid thing, but that's all right. At least it'll be nice and solid now. I actually ended up, the way I'm gonna fix it is I sanded that down and I'm doing a coat, not on the face, but just on the main dome and the sides right here and the back. I did a coat of epoxy resin, like for countertops, like I did in the first or second video that I put up on YouTube was using that resin. Of course, this time I mixed it correctly. I didn't just do hardener. But anyways, so that's what I'm doing today. I'm fixing my mistakes. And I'm out here in the shop just kind of, I actually wanted to do a coat of clear coat today because there's like no wind, which is unheard of around here. But then this happened, so it's like it kind of deterred me from doing that because I don't want to. Things are already going bad. I don't want to have something else go bad. But man, all these pieces look really good. Let's see if I get one of these. They all look really nice. They're ready for clear coat, and I have 2 containers of clear coat. I'm going to be using this. This is what I used on all my magazine covers and the glove covers and the little things that go on the belt there. I used the Duplicolor Gloss Clear Coat, and it's a lacquer, but it's really nice. It dries pretty fast, so you kind of gotta work it pretty quick and then just kind of leave it alone. But anyways, I just wanted to give y'all a little update. So I probably won't be doing clear coat for a few days because I'm going to be messing with this helmet a lot. But just want to let you guys know what was going on. All right, y'all have a good one.